Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD. Okay, and as we all know, there was some volatility in the past week and we saw some huge sell-off also. Okay, there was some huge sell-off, there was some huge selling pressure, and market bounced from this particular level. Okay, 1855. So at first, let's do the analysis. Okay, so if we just look at the chart, and if I zoom out the chart, then we can still see that the market is in uptrend, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, still market is in uptrend. Yes, there was some volatility in the past week, there was some selling pressure in the past week, but still the market is in uptrend. The uptrend of the market is still intact. Okay, and that's a good news. And as we all know, we should always follow the trend of the market, or the thumb rule is trend is your friend. Therefore, following the overall trend of the market, then we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Okay, and as I have discussed in my previous videos, okay, or the area of value. Okay, before executing any order, we should always try to find the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. Okay, in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity or the area of value is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best shorting opportunity or the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. And right now, as we just saw, gold USD is an uptrend. Therefore, our best trading opportunity in this market will be at the support. Therefore, our duty is to find the support. Okay. And as we can see, when market saw a huge sell-off, okay, when market made these fat red candles, market took support at this price level. Therefore, this level is extremely important for the market, and if market comes down to this particular price level, then there is a good possibility that still this level is this level will provide the required support to the market, and this level will provide support and market will bounce from this particular level. Therefore, in gold USD's chart, this is the most crucial level for us right now, 1855. Okay, so if market comes down to this particular price level, then there's a good possibility that market will bounce from here. But always remember, confirmation is always important, and you'll get a confirmation in the form of a hammer. If you see that price has come down to the support zone, and if you see that price is about to bounce from here, and if you see some hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or price rejection from below, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, this level is still a valid support, market is still taking support at this level, and yes, you can go for a buy order. Just look at this particular candle. When market touched this particular candle, market immediately bounced, which means that buyers were present in that price level. Try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, which means that buyers were present at that price level and they did not allow the market to go down, rather they pushed the price upside. So this level is extremely important for the market, 1855. Okay, so this is your first and the best trading opportunity here. On the other hand, okay, you can see that I have drawn a red line also here. Okay, if you can see clearly that this red line is acting as a resistance for the market. Whenever market is going up, whenever market is going up, it is getting resistance. Okay, and this red line is acting as a dynamic resistance. Okay, dynamic resistance. Dynamic resistance means it does not have a fixed value. Okay, therefore this dynamic resistance is a valid one. Okay, therefore if market goes up from this particular price level, okay, then when it will go up and reach this trend line, your duty will be to observe the price. If you see that just like previous times, market is unable to cross this red line. Okay, if you see that just like previous times, market is finding it difficult to cross the line, it is providing the resistance to the market, it is not allowing the market to go up, then we'll get a confirmation that yes, this red line is a valid resistance and you can short the market. Remember correctly, I told you that in an uptrend market we should mainly look for buying opportunities. It's not it. Okay. But if we look at this particular portion of the chart, okay, forget about the uptrend and all. Just concentrate on this particular portion of the chart. Then you can easily see that market is in sideways. And as we all know, in a sideways market, we can short the market at a resistance and we can go for buy at the support. Therefore, considering the present trend of the market, okay, you can short the market also. Okay, so your best trading opportunity is this level, 1855 level. Your second best trading opportunity is if market reverses from this trend line. Okay, this is your second best trading opportunity. And if market crosses this level, then there is a possibility that market will face resistance at this particular level. Uh, 1910 level. Therefore, if market crosses also this red line, then also you should not buy, because market has got another resistance available at 1910 level. Therefore, if market goes up from here, then again observe the price at this resistance level, because this is your third trading opportunity. In case market fails to go up, and if you see that price is struggling, price is crying at this level, 1910 level, then there's a good possibility that market will reverse. And if market reverses from this particular portion, then you can short the market at this level, 1910. This is your third trading opportunity. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities for you available in whole USD chart right now. If market crosses 1910 level, that's a completely different chapter, not required for today. I'll be discussing that part tomorrow. Okay, hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.